10 most beautiful beaches in the world. Hello travelers, today, we present to you the 10 most beautiful beaches that define the epitome of natural beauty, but don't forget, please subscribe to our channel. Railay Beach. Railay Beach, nestled along the Andaman coast of Thailand, emerges as a pristine gem, encapsulated by towering limestone cliffs that create an enchanting cocoon of natural beauty. Accessible only by boat, this secluded paradise offers an escape from the ordinary, inviting visitors to a realm where turquoise waters gently lap against the golden shores. Railay is not just a beach, it's an adventurous sanctuary. The imposing limestone formations attract rock climbers from around the world, creating an exhilarating landscape for those seeking an adrenaline rush. Beyond its adventurous spirit, Railay embraces Thai culture with open arms. Traditional dance performances, delectable local cuisine, and vibrant crafts showcase the rich heritage that intertwines seamlessly with the serene surroundings. As the sun dips below the horizon, Railay unveils a mesmerizing sunset, casting warm hues across the sky and silhouetting the iconic cliffs. With opportunities for water activities like kayaking and snorkeling, Railay Beach beckons travelers to immerse themselves in its beauty, promising an unforgettable escape into nature's embrace. Badu Sancho. Badu Sancho, situated on the archipelago of Fernando de Noronha in Brazil, stands as a testament to the sheer beauty and natural splendor that the world has to offer. Voted multiple times as one of the world's best beaches, Badu Sancho boasts pristine white sands, translucent turquoise waters, and an untouched coastal landscape. Accessible by boat or a cliffside staircase, the beach remains relatively secluded, preserving its unspoiled charm. The surrounding cliffs and lush greenery contribute to a breathtaking panorama, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. The underwater world is equally captivating, inviting snorkelers and divers to explore vibrant coral reefs teeming with diverse marine life. Badu Sancho exemplifies the harmony between untouched nature and a paradisiacal seaside, making it a destination that captures the hearts of those fortunate enough to experience its beauty. Grace Bay. Grace Bay, located on the island of Providenciales in the Turks and Caicos archipelago, is a beach of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Renowned for its powdery white sands and crystal-clear turquoise waters, Grace Bay consistently ranks among the world's top beaches. The beach stretches for miles along the northern coast of Providenciales, providing a pristine and spacious environment for visitors to bask in the sun and stroll along the shoreline. Grace Bay's allure extends beyond its stunning aesthetics. The calm and shallow waters make it an ideal destination for various water activities, including snorkeling, paddleboarding, and kayaking. Beneath the surface, vibrant coral reefs house a dazzling array of marine life, creating an underwater wonderland for those eager to explore. Luxury resorts and villas dot the coastline, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and upscale amenities. As the sun begins to set, the sky over Grace Bay transforms into a canvas of warm hues, casting a magical glow over the horizon. Whether you seek a peaceful retreat, thrilling water adventures, or simply a picturesque setting to unwind, Grace Bay stands as a quintessential tropical paradise, inviting visitors to revel in the splendor of its natural beauty and the serenity of its surroundings. Camps Bay Beach. Camps Bay Beach, nestled against the backdrop of the 12 Apostles mountain range and overlooking the Atlantic Ocean in Cape Town, South Africa, is a beachfront haven that effortlessly blends natural beauty with cosmopolitan charm. With its pristine, palm-fringed white sands and the iconic tabletop mountain looming in the distance, Camps Bay Beach offers a postcard-perfect setting. The beach is not only a sunbather's delight but also a gathering place for locals and tourists alike. The vibrant promenade along the shoreline is lined with trendy cafes, restaurants, and boutique shops, creating a lively atmosphere that complements the beauty of the surroundings. Camps Bay Beach is a popular spot for water enthusiasts, attracting surfers, paddleboarders, and beachgoers eager to take a refreshing dip in the Atlantic waters. The beach also provides a stunning vantage point for sunset lovers, as the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the ocean and the 12 Apostles. Surrounded by upscale residences and luxury accommodations, Camps Bay effortlessly combines the natural allure of the beach with the sophistication of its surroundings. Whether you're seeking relaxation on the sand, water adventures, or a stylish urban escape, Camps Bay Beach welcomes visitors with open arms, promising a delightful fusion of natural splendor and coastal chic. McKenna Beach. McKenna Beach, also known as Big Beach, is a slice of paradise nestled on the southwestern coast of Maui, Hawaii. Renowned for its expansive golden sands and turquoise waters, McKenna Beach is a picturesque destination that captivates visitors with its natural beauty and serene ambience. The beach stretches for nearly 2/3 of a mile, providing ample space for beachgoers to soak up the Hawaiian sun and enjoy the panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. McKenna Beach is framed by rugged lava rock formations, adding a touch of dramatic scenery to the landscape. The clear and inviting waters make it a popular spot for swimming, boogie boarding, and body surfing, attracting both locals and tourists seeking water-based adventures. Surrounded by lush greenery and bordered by the majestic slopes of Haleakala, McKenna Beach offers a sense of seclusion and tranquility. The beach park features picnic areas and facilities, making it an ideal spot for a family outing or a relaxing day in nature. For those seeking a bit of exploration, a short walk to the south leads to Little Beach, a smaller and more secluded cove known for its vibrant sunsets and occasional drum circles. McKenna Beach captures the essence of Hawaii's natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination for those looking to experience the magic of Maui's coastline in all its glory. Whether you're a beach lover, an adventure seeker, or simply in search of a peaceful retreat, McKenna Beach welcomes you with open arms and the promise of a truly unforgettable island experience. Bermuda. Bermuda, a stunning British overseas territory located in the North Atlantic Ocean, is a paradisiacal destination known for its pink sand beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant coral reefs. This island archipelago, situated about 650 miles off the east coast of the United States, offers a unique blend of British charm and tropical allure. One of Bermuda's standout features is its renowned pink sand beaches, including Horseshoe Bay Beach. The rosy hue comes from the crushed shells and coral that blend with the white sand, creating a visually striking and Instagram-worthy coastline. Visitors can bask in the sun, swim in the clear waters, or explore the surrounding coves and rock formations. Beyond its exquisite beaches, Bermuda boasts a rich maritime history, evident in attractions like the Royal Naval Dockyard and the historic town of St. George, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the pastel-colored buildings, cobblestone streets, and centuries-old architecture that tell the story of Bermuda's colonial heritage. For nature enthusiasts, the Crystal and Fantasy Caves showcase breathtaking underground formations, and the Bermuda Aquarium, Museum and Zoo offers a glimpse into the island's diverse marine and terrestrial ecosystems. Water activities are a highlight in Bermuda, with opportunities for snorkeling, diving, and sailing in the crystal-clear waters. The vibrant coral reefs surrounding the islands are home to an array of marine life, making it a snorkelers' and divers' paradise. Bermuda's subtropical climate makes it an appealing year-round destination, and the island's friendly locals, known as the Bermudians, contribute to its welcoming atmosphere. With its mix of natural beauty, historical charm, and outdoor adventures, Bermuda stands as a timeless destination that captures the hearts of those seeking a perfect blend of relaxation and exploration. 7 Mile. 7 Mile Beach, located on the western shore of Grand Cayman, Cayman Islands, is a world-renowned stretch of Caribbean paradise. Despite its name, the beach actually extends for about 5.5 miles, 8.8 kilometers, but its reputation for powdery white sands and crystal-clear turquoise waters makes it an iconic destination for sunseekers and water enthusiasts. The beach is not only famous for its breathtaking beauty but also for its range of activities. Visitors can engage in water sports like snorkeling, paddle boarding, and kayaking, exploring the vibrant underwater world of coral reefs and marine life. The calm and gentle waters make it an ideal spot for families and those looking for a relaxing swim. 7 Mile Beach is dotted with luxury resorts, beachfront villas, and a variety of dining and entertainment options. The vibrant atmosphere extends from the beach to the nearby towns, where visitors can experience the friendly hospitality of the Cayman Islands. As the day transitions into evening, the beach provides a stunning backdrop for picturesque sunsets over the Caribbean Sea. Many visitors find themselves strolling along the shore, enjoying the warm breeze and the soothing sound of the waves as the sun sets in a palette of vibrant colors. Whether you're seeking a tropical getaway, a romantic escape, or a destination for water adventures, 7 Mile Beach offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and leisure, making it a truly idyllic destination in the heart of the Caribbean. Navajo Beach, also known as Shipwreck Beach, is a world-famous destination located on the island of Zakynthos in Greece. This iconic beach is renowned for its dramatic scenery, featuring a pristine cove with crystal-clear turquoise waters, golden sands, and a shipwreck prominently grounded on the shore. The beach gets its name, Shipwreck Beach, from the remains of a ship named the MV Panayotis that ran aground on the beach in the early 1980s, purportedly while smuggling cigarettes. The shipwreck adds an eerie yet captivating element to the already breathtaking landscape. Access to Navajo Beach is mainly by boat, and visitors can enjoy stunning views of the shipwreck and the cliffs from above. The turquoise waters invite snorkelers and swimmers to explore the marine life beneath the surface, while the soft sand provides a perfect spot for sunbathing and relaxation. The towering limestone cliffs that surround Navajo Beach create a secluded and picturesque setting, making it a favorite spot for photographers, nature enthusiasts, and those seeking an escape into the beauty of the Ionian Sea. The vibrant blue hues of the sea against the white cliffs and golden sand create a surreal and enchanting atmosphere, making Navajo Beach a postcard-perfect destination and one of the most photographed beaches in the world. Whether you arrive by boat or take in the panoramic views from the cliffside, Navajo Beach promises an unforgettable experience in a truly mesmerizing corner of Greece. Maya Bay Bay, situated on the Phi Phi Islands in Thailand, gained international fame for its stunning beauty and cinematic history. The bay is surrounded by high limestone cliffs, with a strip of white sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters that have made it an iconic tropical paradise. Maya Bay rose to prominence as the filming location for the movie The Beach, starring Leonardo DiCaprio. The movie showcased the breathtaking landscapes and vibrant coral reefs, drawing attention to Maya Bay as a must-visit destination. Access to Maya Bay was restricted in 2018 to allow for the rehabilitation of the fragile marine ecosystem, which had been affected by over-tourism. The closure aimed to preserve the bay's natural beauty and give the coral reefs and marine life a chance to recover. While Maya Bay has undergone a period of closure to tourists, its beauty remains undiminished. Visitors can still admire the bay from a distance, marveling at the towering cliffs and the vivid hues of the Andaman Sea. The closure has also led to the implementation of sustainable tourism practices, ensuring that future visitors can enjoy the beauty of Maya Bay while minimizing environmental impact. Maya Bay serves as a reminder of the delicate balance between tourism and environmental conservation. Its allure lies not only in its picturesque landscapes but also in the collective responsibility to protect and preserve such natural wonders for generations to come. Elephani Beach, situated on the southwest coast of the Greek island of Crete, is renowned for its unique blend of pink sands, crystal-clear waters, and a tranquil lagoon. This exotic beach is a haven for nature lovers, offering a stunning landscape shaped by both the sea and time. The soft, pinkish hue of the sand comes from the presence of crushed seashells and coral fragments, creating a visually captivating contrast with the azure waters. Elephani is often referred to as the Pink Beach, and its distinct color palette makes it one of the most photogenic and romantic spots in the Mediterranean. The beach is embraced by a nature reserve, home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. Visitors can explore the coastal dunes and observe various bird species that inhabit the area. Elephani is not only a beach but also a natural sanctuary, providing a peaceful retreat for those seeking a connection with both land and sea. The shallow, warm waters of the lagoon make Elephani Beach ideal for swimming and wading. The sandbar that stretches into the sea creates a lagoon effect, where visitors can enjoy the sensation of walking in knee-deep waters, surrounded by the beauty of the Cretan landscape. While Elephani Beach has gained popularity, its remote location has helped maintain a sense of tranquility and authenticity. The journey to reach this gem involves navigating through scenic routes, adding to the sense of adventure and anticipation. Whether you're captivated by the allure of the pink sands, intrigued by the diverse ecosystem, or simply seeking a serene escape, Elephani Beach promises an unforgettable experience on the sun-kissed shores of Crete. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey to the 10 most beautiful beaches in the world. We hope this video has inspired you to explore these breathtaking destinations and experience the magic they have to offer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the beauty that our world has to offer. This has been Discover Paradise.